Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Instagram a close friend feature. If you're using Instagram and you're trying to share a story, so let's say I'm going to share a story here. So here you'll see this close friends option. So let's see how can you use this feature. So whenever you try to share a story into your Instagram account, you see two different options here. The first one is your story and the second is close friends. So if you have selected the first one or your story option, so your story will be shared all of your friends or it will be shared as your own story. So whenever a person will open your profile, he can see your story. Or if you select only this close friends option, you will get the option to add people to your close friends or if you have already added, so your story will only be shared with your close friends and no one can see your story on Instagram, either to your close friends. So you can select this option from here and then tap on the share option after adding your close friends, and your Instagram story will be only shared with your close friend. It will not share as your own Instagram profile. So in this way, you can easily use the close friends Instagram stories feature. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.